intent is to be at peace and happy, joyful, and it's mostly
That's good.
That's nice.
that's a lot, but
That's
yeah,
nice.
that's my intent.
Så det. Ja, det är hi.
My intent was to reconnect to my feminine sexuality, to re-energize, re-identify with that sexual body, which I think I lost about a year ago. And that I kept coming back to continuously. And then towards the end of the session, I was reminded that I've had several wise women tell me to connect to the mystic, that I am connected to the mystic, but I'm not allowing that connection to flow. So I kind of shifted gears in my intention, but I embody it all. I embrace it, and I'm grateful for what comes through.
Nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And my intention was to experience a new experience and get as much out of it as I possibly could, being that I've never done this before.
Right.
So I, kind of just went with the advice that you had given in the beginning and listened to your advice, and I just let the music go through and just kept telling in my mind, just clear, 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 and that's when all the colors came in, and the music was going through me, and you could just, it went through.
Flushed you.
Yeah. So that's, yeah.
Right.
So it was a success. Liked it.
Have you ladies had a sound bath or with the gongs? How would you compare that?
Well, obviously the vibration of the floor is deeper. The music, the way you switch the music up, so you're not on necessarily a continuum of flow.
Right.
You're moving from one, I felt it on a cellular level, moving
Right.
differently, as I said, the balancing of the yin and the yang,
Right,
and
right.
then the washing from head to toe.
Right.
So that's how I would describe it differently.
Right.
Rather than just being taken up to this place where you kind of hang here.
Yeah, that's what would be with the bowls, right?
Yes.
Or the same thing would be with that type of music, of course.
Mm.
But what I like about the bowls, which you don't get from this, is it's live, and there's a scintillating resilience to it that's really, really powerful.
Or with the gong, then that is coming at you from a different, you feel the gong,
right.
at least I,
Mm-hmm.
whereas this, you definitely are feeling it more through your back body.
Yeah. Were you in the place where you became the music?
It went through me.
Right.
Yeah, definitely.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
I have to see it.
It's like
Invented this technology back in the 80s, and you're receiving like a musical massage. You're feeling the rhythmic patterns undulate through the body, and it's quite deeply relaxing. In fact, people that have had near-death experiences liken this experience to their near-death experience and that connection to the other realms. That's because we're separating out the bodies and we're using the music vibrotactile, cymatically through the body. It's amazing.